So let's have a look at server and database firewalls. Herein how it allows means how the firewall works is whenever we connect using internet or Azure, it checks the database firewall rules. So it checks that first at the database level, if it is within the range, it allows it. Otherwise, it will check at the server level firewall rules. Now we go to the our existing database, which is AdventureWorks LT. So if we go to the server, in the server, let's have a look at firewalls. So do we have any firewall? So let me delete it. Okay, save it. As of now, we do not have any server firewall rule. If I click on OK, now I go to the database and AdventureWorks LT. Herein, we can click on Set Server Firewall. As of now, there is no firewall, no client IP address. So basically, the one that was there, we have removed it. Okay. Now let me click on Add Client IP and click on the Save button. Or maybe what I'll say is, okay, client IP address. Click on the Save button. Or maybe what I'll do is I'll modify this so that basically as of now it should allow us to log in. Let's have a look at it. So we click on Connect button, Database Engine, and herein we select the admin user, and the option also we have selected AdventureWorks LT that we are connecting with. Click on the Connect button. So it allows us to connect to it. Okay, now let me close the connection. This is fine. Now I come here and I delete this. So there's no basically in the firewall we are saying that we are not allowing anyone. Okay, now let me connect here to the database. You can connect because firewall basically takes some time. That's why sometimes it is able to connect. So let me just close this and wait for a while so that the changes take effect. So we do not have any firewall settings at the database level. Let me ensure that we do not have the same at the server level as well. Firewall and the virtual networks. So the client IP address is this. We do not have any firewall rules configured. Let me connect here. Let's see that. Even now it is allowing. Let's wait for some more time. Okay. Now let me try to connect again. So I select admin user. Click on the connect button. It asks me to sign in, and thereafter it says me the client IP address does not have access to the server. Sign into the account and create a new firewall rule to enable the access. So I click on the cancel button. Okay, so it will not allow me. So now what I do is I go to the server, and this time I'm adding the firewall at the server level. Add client IP. So So on the database level, we are not allowing it, whereas at the server level, we are allowing it. Let's see what happens now. Let me click on connect button. So it is able to connect to it and click on databases. So I can see the adventure works. So it is able to connect to it. So we'll be able to see the tables as well because I've connected using admin user.